Okay, guys, now in Forex we have two parts, right? We have the fundamental part and the technical part, right? Okay, the fundamental part is where the market issue out big candles like here, big candles. And then here is the technical part. The market doesn't issue out big candles, it issue out small candles, right? So we have a app that is called investing.com. You can download this app on Play Store, right? This app called investing.com, it's very, very helpful, right? It's very, very helpful. Let me open it. They will say sign up for free. You just click later, right? And then when you open your app, you will find it like this, right? It has one bull, 14. It has one bull, two bulls, and three bulls, right? One bull, it means that the market it will move. For the forex market may move, but it won't move bigger, right? Two bulls means that it will move, but not bigger. And then three bulls, it means that the market will move bigger with a huge candle. We call the candle Gigaba candle, because Gigaba, you know what is a Gigaba, right? Gigaba candle means a big candle. So if you want to be safe, you just come here, because we need Gigaba candles, big candles. We click here, we unselect these two, right? And then we go back. Then it will show us this. Only three bulls. We are only interested in three bulls event, right? You go there, you unselect those, you only leave high, and then you go back, right? Now introduction. Three bulls means that the market will move with big candles like this one. The market will move with big candles like this one, right? Then we go to investing.com, right? Investing.com. Here, what do we do? This is for today. It shows us that is to yesterday. Yesterday is yesterday. It shows that at 2:30. Remember, we have pairs, right? AUD, GBP, USD, CAD, and ZD. Those are the pairs that we trade. It tells you that at 2:30, if you can check, at 2:30, AUD pairs will be affected. At exactly 2:30, all AUD pairs will either go up or go down fast with a big candle, right? At 5:30, it tells that again. At 5:30, it tells us that also for AUD, the market will be affected. It will go up fast or go down fast, right? And then it also tells us that at 5:30 again, AUD will go up fast or down fast. And then again at 11:30, this is for GBP. It tells us that GBP pairs will go up fast or down fast. This was yesterday. And then today it tells us that at 15:30, USD will be affected. At 17 o'clock, CAD will be affected, right? At 23:45, NZD will be affected, right? And then tomorrow, it tells us this week, you know when to expect big candles on the market and on which pair. Next week, the same thing. So example, let's say yesterday, right? So your job is to check when the market will move big, right? The market, they say it will move big at 2:30, right? And which pair is it for? AUD. So you come to the market, right? We have technical and fundamental. Technical is where you take a trade and wait too much and wait for the market to wait for at least 1 hour or 3 hours to see profit. Fundamental, you don't wait. You just take a trade right now and then you get into profit right now, right? Investing.com tells us when they are fundamentals. Fundamentals are at 2:30. We're at 2:30 AUD retail sales, right? If you can go to Forex, let's go to Forex. This is Forex, right? Let's come here and select any AUD pair, because the news are for AUD. You just check any AUD pair. Why? Because the news are AUD for AUD. You just check any pair. Here are many pairs. You just check any pair where AUD is involved. You come for AUD. You will see. You see? It was at 2:30 yesterday. 2:30 yesterday. 2:30. Okay. What time was this? 2:06. I want the 2:31. Just somewhere here. 2:05. Let me just check that one. Okay. Okay, it's because of the different times of the broker. This was the 2:30 candle. Right? This was the 2:30 candle. Immediately when the time is 2:30, this market will either move up fast or down fast. Right? So your job is to come here, buy or sell, because the market will move up fast and down fast. So how will you know that the market will move up fast or down fast? For that one, you need to have a skill. You have to learn, right? So we know that the market will go up fast or down fast. That's what you have to know right now. It will go up fast or down fast. You have to observe. If they say the news are at 2:30, you will check. The market will go up fast or down fast with a big candle. That's for the fundamentals, right? Again, they said for at 11:30, GBP will go up fast or down fast, right? You go to the market and then you select any GBP pair. Let's go to GBPUSD. If you can check, this was, remember I'm telling you because of it was yesterday, not today. This was the candle for GBP. You see, it went down fast and big one. At exactly 11:30, it went down. When the market at exactly 11:30, the market will shoot up fast or down fast, right? If you can check, it went down fast with a big candle. Hope you understand now. You understand that when we say today, let's say today, right? Today at 15:30, before 15:30, we will go to any USD pair, because it's USD. We just select any USD pair, USD JPY, right? Any USD pair. When the market is at 15:30 today, we will expect this market to go up fast or down fast. Or any USD pair, or here AUD USD is involved, we'll expect the market to go up fast or down fast. Any USD pair, even this one, it should go up fast or down fast. Even this one, let me show you. Even this one, NZUSD, it has to go up fast or down fast. That's what you gotta know, right? I'm out. You have to know this. This was investing.com. Investing.com is very helpful for big candles. If you can choose to trade either small candles, small mini candles. If you're a technical trader, you'll take a trade here, right? And then wait for 30 minutes for the market to give you profit, or 1 hour. But with fundamentals, if you can check, you don't wait. Only one candle is bigger than all the candles, right? So you have to check investing.com. If it says at 15:30 USD will move, you check USD, right? You have to understand this. Peace. Check my other videos for what to do when, if it's at 15:30, what should I do? Should I buy or should I sell or should I do what? Check my other video. Peace. Hmm?